1. Meditation reduces depression. Studies on mild and major depressive individuals showed that introducing an adjunct of meditation to their regular depression management strategies reduced the symptoms of loneliness and general low mood. A study by Philip Reyes on 400 adolescent students in Belgium showed that when they participated in mindful meditation programs, they had a noticeable reduction in depression, negative thinking, and stress for up to 6 months after the training. 2. Meditation helps to overcome postpartum blues. Research indicates that the effects of meditation can be similar to antidepressant drugs. Pregnant women and new mothers, who are at risk of developing depressive disorders due to sudden hormonal flushes in the body, benefited a lot when they practiced meditation and yoga training. The evidence clearly indicates that besides reducing mood fluctuations in new moms, meditation also helped them in developing a secure connection with the newborn. 3. Meditation regulates anxiety and mood disorders. From generalized anxiety disorders to phobia, panic disorders, obsession, and bipolar mood swings, daily meditation practice helps in regulating the unreasonable emotional ups and downs. Methods like Vipassana reduces the density of gray matter in brain areas that associate stress and anxiety and brings in overall emotional stability. 4. Meditation reduces stress. Unexpected encounters with adversities often fail our natural coping mechanisms and make us vulnerable to burnout and hypertension. By developing the habit of regular meditation, we can successfully tame our mind to survive the storm. Studies have shown that open monitoring meditation and mindfulness-based stress relaxation techniques reduce the stress hormones and make us more vigilant and self-aware. Research suggests that if we introduce meditation into the work culture and encourage professionals to practice the same regularly, they surely could work more efficiently under stressful circumstances and prevent the workload from taking a toll on their health. 5. Meditation builds resilience to pain. An interesting study by the University of Montreal proved that meditation builds endurance against physical pain. In the study, 2 groups received equal amounts of extreme heat in their bodies for a fair amount of time. One of the groups had Zen Buddhist masters who were dedicated meditators, and the other group had 13 non-meditators. Researchers were amazed at how the Zen masters reported significantly less pain than the other participants. 6. Meditation helps in dealing with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. We have seen how meditation improves attention and focus. A study on 50 adult ADHD individuals showed that mindfulness and meditation practices reduced their hyperactivity and allowed them to enjoy increased impulse control. Brain examinations by Professor Eileen Lugas at the UCLA Laboratory of Neurology Imagine proved that meditators have more gyrification that helps the brain to process information faster and improve selective attention and focus. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the channel.